Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, I am going to talk about how to get your driver's license this year, 2021. So in this vlog, I am going to talk about how to get your non-professional driver's license. If you are wondering how to get your student permit, I have another video for that. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check that out first before watching this video. I got my non-professional driver's license last January 20, 2021. It's actually a card with your picture on it and your basic information. Based on my experience, it was an easy process for me, and hopefully this video will give you everything that you need to know and everything that you need to have during your own application. What are the requirements you need when applying for a non-pro driver's license? So the first thing that you need to have is, again, the accomplished application of driver's license, or the ADL form, that is downloadable from the LTO website. I am going to put the link in the description box down below so you can go ahead, download that, print it sa bahay nyo, o makiprint kayo sa kapitbahay nyo, pumunta kayo sa com shop, makiprint kayo. Kung kaya nyo nang gawin ngayon, i-print nyo na. Pwede rin naman kayong kumuha ng ADL form sa LTO mismo. Pag na-accomplish mo na siya sa bahay nyo, you go there sa LTO and you're done. The second requirement is the medical certificate from an LTO-accredited clinic. Again, guys, LTO-accredited clinic! I will put the link of the LTO-accredited clinics in the description box so you can go ahead and check that out para masigurado nyo rin na LTO-accredited yung clinic na yon. Next requirement is you need to bring your original and valid student permit. And when we say valid, dapat hindi pa siya expired, okay? Ang validity na po ng student permit natin is 1 year. So, kung expired na ang student permit mo, sorry, hindi na yan tatanggapin. So, what I did is, I brought my original student permit and I also brought a photocopy of my student permit just in case. Lahat ng mga requirements na dinala ko, meron akong backup ng photocopy. Pero pag ni-require kayo ng photocopy, tapos di naman pala nakasulat sa requirements, pero sabi, kailangan ng photocopy, don't worry, most of the time, okay? Most of the time, sa vicinity ng LTO, meron siyang mga photocopyhan. Kapihan. The last requirement for your non-professional driver's license is the practical driving course certificate. Yan, ito na ang mabigat na requirement na nire-require ng LTO, which was only implemented last year, August 3, 2020. Kasabay po ito nung theoretical driving course, which corresponds to student permit. And ang practical driving course naman ay para sa mga mag-a-apply ng non-professional driver's license. What is the practical driving course certificate? If you are going to get your practical driving course certificate, or we can call it PDC, if you are going to get your PDC, make sure na 8 hours ang kunin nyo, because ang sabi sa LTO requirement, at least 8 hours. Kung maka 15 kayo, okay. Kung maka 20 kayo, okay lang. But never below 8 kasi hindi siya tatanggapin. So make sure ha, kapag kukuha kayo ng practical driving course nyo, 8 hours. That's it. Those are the 4 requirements in getting your non-pro driver's license. It's the accomplished application for driver's license, medical certificate from an LTO-accredited clinic, original and valid student permit, and lastly, the practical driving course certificate. Additional, in my experience, nagdala pa rin ako ng original and photocopy NSO birth certificate ko. At pinasa ko rin siya during the process. Pinasa ko rin siya. Wala siya sa requirements, pero pinapasa ako nung birth certificate ko. So, guys, please also bring your original and photocopy birth certificate. Another thing, since when you're applying for a non-pro driver's license, magkakaroon na tayo ng road test o yung driving test, kumbaga. If you are going to bring your own car, please bring your ORCR, original and photocopy. Yung photocopy, ipapasa mo yan. If you are not going to bring your own car, don't worry, hindi naman lahat ng tao kailangan magdala ng sariling kotse nila kapag mag-a-apply ng lisensya. Meron po sa LTO na pwedeng rentahan na kotse. The second part of this video is the process. Before I even tell you the process, first thing you need to do before you go to the LTO branch that you are going to apply to, create an account sa LTO portal. I'm going to put the link down below kung saan kayo gagawa ng LTO account nyo. You need to create an account sa LTO portal bago mo masimulan yung buong proseso ng pag-a-apply mo ng lisensya. I applied for my non-pro driver's license in LTO Imus. Umila ako ng 7 o'clock. At 8 o'clock in the morning, pinapasok na kami. Bait-bait pa ng Kuya Guard. Sige po, pasok na po kayo. Social distancing, mag-mask po tayo, mag-face shield po tayo. The time na turn ko na, I already submitted my requirements. Requirements ko, 5 yun yung requirements na binigay ko. The ADL form, the med cert, the student permit, the certification, and I also submitted my NSO birth certificate. Photocopy lang. Photocopy lang, guys, okay? Take note, hindi naman sila nagpapapasa ng original. Photocopy lang, but I always bring the original. Just in case. Bring it na lang, guys. Hindi naman ganun kabigat eh. Papel lang naman yun, so you have to bring that. ORCR, guys, hindi ko pa pinasa yun. We'll get to that later. After I passed my requirements dun sa Mr., he asked me if I already have an account sa LTO portal. Sabi ko, opo, meron na po akong account sa LTO portal. So since meron na akong account, then he already gave me a number and I proceeded dun sa kabilang office nila. But guys, kung wala kayong account, do not worry kasi sasabihin niya lang naman, ayun, may computer dun sa gilid, gumawa kayo ng account nyo. That's the case sa LTO Imus. I advise you guys, create an LTO portal account ahead of time before you even go to the LTO office. Not only will it give you an easier process, an easier transaction, also because yung theoretical exams na iti-take nyo sa LTO office, theoretical exams, ito po yung written, pero hindi na written ngayon, online na rin, nasa computer na. The reviewer for the theoretical exam is also in the LTO portal. So, before you go to the LTO office, mag-review ka using the LTO portal. Merong tab doon nakasulat theoretical exam and you can practice that a couple of times, as many as you want. Ako talaga, kinarir ko talaga, nag-review talaga ako ng todong-todo. Kasi ayoko nang bumalik. After doing my biometrics, my signature, and also my photo, the guy gave me this piece of paper which served as a receipt na nakasulat doon is application fee worth 100 pesos. Punta ako sa kabilang office at nagbayad ako ng 100 pesos. And sabi nila is mag-e-exam na ako. So the first exam that you're gonna take is the theoretical exam. In most LTO branches na it's online na. So I went inside the examination room. Merong 6 na computer doon and I took the online exam. Here's the thing, guys. Kung ano yung nireview ko sa LTO portal, ganun din yung mga questions dun sa theoretical exams mismo. So, kung nag-review kayo, masasagot nyo talaga lahat yun. Examination room na yun, it's impossible for you to cheat. Kasi, ito yung computer sa unahan mo and then, merong harang dito, may nakaharang na folder dito. Tapos sa likod mo naman, parang meron ka ding parang plywood na kulay blue. Parang yun yung naging background mo. Tapos, may camera sa unahan mo. Kahit tumingin ka lang ng konting ganun, magsasara yung computer mo. Kasi parang madedetect nila na tumitingin ka sa katabi mo or tumitingin ka sa taas, tumitingin ka sa baba, baka meron kang kodigo sa kamay mo. Madedetect nila, magsasara yung computer. But don't worry, hindi naman mare-reset yung progress mo. Babalik ka rin dun sa number na nag-stop ka. Since yung restriction na in-applyan ko is to drive an automatic and manual, yung exam na tinake ko has 100 items. So, kung 100 items yung exam mo, you need to score at least 80 points para pumasa. Pero, kung automatic sedan naman ang i-drive mo, the number of items is 60. 60 items and you need to score at least 48 points para makapasa ka. Since I passed the theoretical exams, the next thing that I have to take is the driving test. I met with the instructor outside. Bago kami mag-drive, may mga kasama kasi ako doon. Bago kami mag-drive, pinasa muna namin yung ORCR ng kotse na gagamitin namin. So, kapag may dala kayong sariling car nyo, you have to submit the latest ORCR ng sasakyan na gagamitin nyo dun sa instructor. Photocopy lang, guys. Hindi original. Photocopy lang. Then, kapag napasa na namin yung ORCR, bumunta na ako sa sasakyan. Drive lang ako na isang ikot. Tapos, chinek lang na instructor kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. Kung pag nag-brake ka ba, di bigla-bigla. Kung nagsi-seatbelt ka ba. Yun lang naman, guys. Hindi naman kami pinahirapan ng instructor namin. Hindi siya ganun ka-strict. After I drive, the instructor told me that I passed the test. Pumasok ulit ako sa LTO-IMOS. That was around 11 o'clock pa. 11 o'clock pa lang yun in the morning and magka-cut off sila ng 12. When they called our name, we went to the cashier and then we paid 585 pesos. 585 pesos is the license fee that will be only paid by those who passed the driving test and the theoretical exams. Naghintay ulit ako doon for the release of my card. Nagawa ko yun just before the cut-off and I got my driver's license that day. So, it took me just half a day to process my non-professional driver's license. So, if you live in Cavite, you can try LTO-IMOS. Now, ang pinakahihintay nyo is the total cost. Magkano yung gagastusin mo sa buong application mo ng driver's license. For the medical certificate, usually 450 pesos ang medical certificate. 450 pesos. Pero kapag hindi mo alam ang blood type mo, plus 100 pesos. That's a total of 550 pesos, guys. If you know your blood type, please bring a proof na yun talaga ang blood type mo. Because if you don't have a proof, they will insist you to take a blood test. And you will be spending 100 pesos for that. You will pay the medical certificate sa clinic mismo. So, the application fee is 100 pesos. And kung nakapasa kayo ng theoretical exam at nakapasa kayo ng driving test, you will pay the license fee, which is 585 pesos. Sa LTO, ang babayaran nyo doon in total is 685 pesos. The next thing that you're also gonna be paying for is the practical course driving certificate, which you will pay sa driving school. So, the amount of the PDC will depend on the driving school that you're going to enroll in and the type of car that you are going to use. Manual ang gamit nyo, mas mura ang PDC, and kung automatic naman, medyo nakakataas yung presyo niya. So, chinek ko yung A1 driving. Ang pinakamura na makukuha nyo doon is 5,400 pesos for 8 hours. Remember ha, when you're going to get your PDC, 8 hours dapat. At least 8 hours. Cheapest you can get is sedan. For manual transmission, 5,400. Automatic transmission, the cheapest you can get sa A1 driving is 9,000 pesos. So, 8 hours na yon. And again, it will still depend on the driving school you're gonna enroll in and the type of car that you are going to use. Ito yung breakdown ng magagastos nyo, guys. So, for the medical certificate, 550 pesos. Assuming na hindi nyo alam yung blood type nyo, 550 pesos. Application fee, 100 pesos. License fee, 585 pesos. And the practical driving course certificate, assuming na automatic sedan ang gamitin nyo, which is 9,000 pesos, with a total of 10,235 pesos. So that is what you're going to spend if you are going to apply for a non-pro driver's license, assuming guys ha, na automatic ang gamitin nyo at hindi nyo pa alam ang blood type nyo. Pwede pang bumaba in case na, pwede pang bumaba yung cost na yan. Depende ulit sa driving school na makukuha nyo and sa type of car na gagamitin nyo. Other than that, the application fee and the license fee are fixed cost. Yun talaga yung presyo niya sa LTO mismo. The last part of the video, which is the frequently asked questions. Hi Yana, need pa ba umattend ng seminars? For the student permit, you need to have the theoretical driving course certificate that you can avail sa driving school. So yes, you need to attend a seminar kasi yung theoretical driving course, that is a seminar. Need pa ba ng driving school? Yes, 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 yes. For the student permit and sa non-pro driver's license, both needs a certification from a driving school already. What is the minimum age requirement when getting a non-professional driver's license? So when getting a non-professional driver's license, the minimum age requirement is 17 years old. That's it, guys. That's everything that I did during my application for my non-professional driver's license. If I missed some points, just let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, kung may mga tanong kayo, i-comment nyo lang yan sa comment section. Basta regarding sa lisensya, guys, ha? Goodbye, guys. I hope this is helpful. Good luck on your application. Bye!